Alright guys, welcome back, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so as I said guys, I'm cooking curry chicken and white rice, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so just keep supporting the channel guys, flex Jamaican cuisine. Yeah man, just like, share, subscribe or comment to the channel, alright? Yeah man, so as I said guys, curry chicken and white rice, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so I have the chicken seasoned properly, marinating while I prepare my garden seasoning and vegetables, alright? So I like to cook my curry guys with carrot and Irish potatoes, alright? Alright guys, so the oil is hot, so I have my garlic in the oil, yeah, so I'm burning the curry with some garlic, alright. Here I have my better pack curry. You can see the Jamaica flag guys, yeah, no joke, you know what I mean? When I'm cooking curry guys, a lot of people put the curry on the meat and season it with it. I don't do that. I burn it in the oil with garlic and thyme and scallion, alright? Here I have my chicken seasoned on properly, yeah. Guys, so I'm adding the chicken. I don't know guys, I'll make the chicken bunja down properly, you know what I mean? Yeah. Give you a little sneak preview of what's going on guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let this bunja down properly, you know what I mean? No water guys until it bunja down properly, which the meat is like it's sticking to the bottom of the pot. know no water is left in it, that's the time you apply the water to it. Alright, get rid of all that raw water from out of it, out of the meat, you know? So, as my grandmother would say, make sure it bunge it properly. Yeah, man. Cover it and let it simmer. Alright, stay tuned guys, keep supporting the channel Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe to the channel and comment. Alright, yeah man. So remember guys, cooking curry chicken and white rice, that is it. Alright guys, yeah man, that's what I'm talking about. See, yeah man, meat bunge down, isn't it? Yeah, man. You have to keep stirring it guys, so it don't stick to the pot. That is it, man. Just stay tuned guys, catch it free and watch what I go on. Curry chicken and white rice we said tonight, alright? That is it. Meantime, when I get the rice going, remember guys, when you're washing the rice, you wash and rinse 3 to 4 times. Alright, make sure it's clean. Wash clean, that is it. Okay guys, keep stirring the chicken, you know what I mean? It's coming along guys. Yeah, as you can see, it springs its own water, you see? Yeah, man. So you don't need to apply any water until you get rid of all of that water, you know, so the seasoning can blend in properly, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Don't know, as your grandma said, make sure the meat bunge down properly before you add any water to it. Alright, yeah, man, that is it. Stay tuned guys, catch it free and watch what go on. Curry chicken and white rice is set. Oh, alright, so here I have some mushrooms. Alright, I know enough of what I'm gonna say. A lot of you guys gonna say I never see mushroom in curry chicken before, but yeah man, don't know. Expect the unexpected. Expect the unexpected, alright? The unexpected. Yeah man. Don't know. Creative cooking we say no man. Always something new on the channel guys that you never see done before, alright? Yeah man, big up on yourself man. Enough respect. Really appreciate your support guys. Keep watching my channel, keep supporting my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Comment to the channel. Any ideas, any thoughts guys, don't afraid, be free to drop it in. Alright, that is it. Come back, you know what I mean? Yeah man, curry chicken and simmer down guys. Yeah man. No joke, you know? Yeah man. I'll already see you guys a Flex Jamaican Cuisine. That me saying man. Up and running. Okay guys, so here I have my mushrooms. See the mushrooms in the bottom, and I have some fresh onion, chili pepper, carrots, Irish potatoes that I'm gonna add to it. Alright, and that is it. and then I'm going to add some water. What I did, guys, I keep the mushrooms on top of the pot. You can see it's all covered with mushroom. Alright, so it's another, say, 7 minutes. Alright, so I don't want the mushroom to overcook, so I give it about 7 more minutes. Yeah, and then it will be ready. I just give it a 1 stir, stir it up, and then it's ready to eat. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Remember, guys, the rules of the kitchen is to clean as you go, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it. So stay tuned, catch a prey, and watch what I want. You don't know, flex Jamaican cuisine to the world. That is it.